Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to display the date on your Casio G-Shock watch GA-2100. So this is going to work for all variations of this exact model. As you can see right here on the digital display, we have the time displayed, so 10:46. And if you want to see the day of the month and the month, simply press the start button in this home screen and it will switch you to the day of the month and the month. So it is currently the 15th of January. So this is a very quick and simple way to switch in between these. And if you want to have the time displayed on your screen also digitally, you can press it one more time in order to switch it back. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy these type of videos, and I'm going to see you on the next video.